name's Kyle Lambert. I'm an assistant professor in the chemistry and biochemistry department, and we're here today at the Rain and Science Day. The Rain and Science Day event that we've held here, this is the 4th year that we've held the Rain and Science Day, and it's grown from about 125 people in the first year to now well over 500 participants each year. So the big idea was to take our graduate student population at ODU, this includes chemistry, physics, and all of the schools of science, and we can expand even outside of that. And the big picture was, we're doing a lot of really exciting, fun research at ODU, and the community around maybe doesn't realize what we're doing here. And since we are a publicly funded institution, we wanted to show the surrounding environment, or the surrounding areas, that there's a lot of really impactful, very interesting chemistry happening and other sciences at ODU. And so our graduate students actually come up with a demonstration on their own that they can explain to students that range from second graders up to high schoolers and even the parents that come along with them. Some of the demos that we have are on climate change and coastal waterways, which is obviously very, very important for Norfolk, being that we are a coastal city, and a lot of this can directly impact people who live here on a day-to-day basis. And so I think ideally everyone in the community would have some investment or engagement in what we're doing at ODU.
Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Hardy. I am a lecturer in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry here at Old Dominion University. I really hope that the students who came here today get a feel for what a scientist can look like. So the fact that there's a huge range of age ranges, people from different backgrounds, everybody could be a scientist, and I think that our volunteers here really help portray that. We have a really great group of volunteers from all over the place. And we're just very grateful that we have such a great support system in our area. Also, all of the community partners and just local volunteers who are coming out. I had emails from high school teachers from around the area, all kinds of people wanting to come and volunteer, and we really couldn't run this event without an army of volunteers. So it's been really lovely to make connections and be able to work with local scientists as well. So it's really just been a nice time, and we thank everybody who came out today. We thank all of the volunteers that are coming, and just thank you for letting this event be a success, and we really appreciate it, and we're happy that we're able to do this.